If you're looking to delete all your Facebook posts using the mobile app on both iOS and Android, follow these simple steps. Open Facebook app, ensure you're connected to the internet, then open the Facebook app on your device. Access settings, go to the menu section by tapping on the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the gear icon or settings at the top. Navigate to post settings, scroll down and find the post option within the privacy settings. Limit past posts, visibility, select limit, who can see past posts, choose limit past posts to restrict the visibility of your older posts. Manage activity log, exit the settings and go to your profile. Tap on the 3 dots icon. Select activity log, access posts in the activity log. Tap on posts to view all your Facebook posts. Choose post type, select the type of posts you want to delete, such as text updates, photos, or videos. Delete posts, select the posts you want to delete by tapping on the circle next to each post. Tap on the recycle bin icon to delete the selected posts. Confirmation, confirm the deletion, and all selected Facebook posts will be permanently removed. That's it. You've successfully deleted all your Facebook posts. Thank you for watching and see you soon.